Hey y'all, it's Dr. Wade and welcome to #Wow Wellness on Wednesdays. All right, do not adjust your set. I lost a day this week. It's been a really chaotic day and I looked up and it was Thursday, but I am pretending it is still Wednesday. So #Wow, where each week I will take 1 minute to tell you all the most important things you need to know about a health or wellness topic. And we're continuing in our theme of water topics with water therapy today. And I thought I'd go through some recipes for making healing baths, starting from head to toe. So for memory and focus, adding 10 to 15 drops of sage oil to your warm bath can really do a great job towards helping you to have more clarity, improving your memory. If you're trying to settle down at night for sleep, adding a few drops of lavender oil, again, 10 to 15 drops can help settle you down for sleep, or add 2 or 3 bags of organic chamomile tea, and that can also help you settle down for the night. For your skin, hydrotherapy recipe. So if itchiness is a problem, using colloidal oatmeal, which is very finely powdered oatmeal, can help with soothing itchy skin. And also, if you have dry skin, adding honey and the oil of your choice, so coconut oil or sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, shea butter, cocoa butter, that combination of honey plus an oil can go a long way towards healing dry skin. Respiration, if you're suffering from sinus infection or from a cold or even chest infections like bronchitis, asthma, you can add 10 to 15 drops of eucalyptus oil or peppermint oil to your hot bath. You can add both of them together and they work very synergistically with a little bit of a mild anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antiviral effect, but that goes a long way towards improving respiration. For cramping, whether it's period cramping or GI cramping, upset tummy, things like that, and even for nausea in pregnancy or chemotherapy, adding a ½ inch of very thinly sliced ginger to your hot bath can go a long way towards helping to relieve the cramping and the nausea. And then, if you're having achy muscles or achy joints, that old standby of Epsom salts does a great job towards helping to relieve that achiness. You would add anywhere from 1 to 2 cups of Epsom salts, which is magnesium, to your bath water. Your goal is for your bath water to be at about 104 degrees for at least 30 minutes for all of these health benefits. I will post, as usual in the notes, a picture of the slide and some notes about ways that your water can be healing for you when you're soaking in the bathtub. All right, that's it. I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye-bye.